Had enough of the XAPOFX12 DLL error blocking your game engine? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I've prepared a repair to get your game files running again. Before we dive into the XAPOFX12 manual process, note the maintenance tool linked below for standardized file referencing. This DLL file is a specialized version of the DirectX Audio Effect library. It contains auxiliary DSP routines used by certain legacy games to enhance sound environments and simulate 3D audio acoustics. Let's get to work. We'll start with the most common fix for this specific error. This error usually indicates a missing graphics runtime component affecting the XAPOFX12 DLL. Reinstall the Microsoft DirectX End-User Runtime to repair legacy DirectX-related DLLs and update your graphics drivers if the file depends on OpenCL, OpenGL, or CUDA. If that initial setup didn't clear the pop-up, let's examine the specific initialization sequence assigned to your application's directory. A simple restart can resolve file-in-use errors that mimic a missing the XAPOFX12 message. It's a low-effort step that ensures your operating system starts with a clean execution stack. Don't forget to bookmark the video or give it a like before you restart. It's the fastest way to jump right back into this tutorial after the reboot. A brief word of caution: not all solutions found online adhere to professional security standards. Installing an unverified version of the XAPOFX12 DLL is a common security pitfall that can inadvertently bypass your system's built-in execution safeguards and firewall. To help keep your environment stable and prevent recurring errors, consider an automated maintenance utility for your system. If library alerts are present, the system resource below offers informational guidance on managing the XAPOFX12 dependencies. By subscribing, you're ensuring that the next time the XAPOFX12 encounters a critical error, you'll have a trusted expert ready to help.